Hello, good mañana to you. Good morning. Pastry man, a little bit of pastry. Guess what? We have more tea. Just because we have some tea, I'm like, let's get a little bit more tea. Hot. Tea makes us fancy, of course. More of this delicious paw shaped or big piece of fried pork shaped sophisticated tasting hazelnut spread. We have the caramel croissant, very buttery, with caramel inside, and I scraped some of it out because it's a little too sweet otherwise. Big pastry time in the morning. You'll have another video in the afternoon or later on in the afternoon, yeah. See, double feature today as well, because I have too much content. Isn't that a problem? Too much content. Oh no, poor you. Get to enjoy more food adventures. Let's start with this. And it's good because with tea, it's like different. Different but nice. I've told you before. Is he gonna tell us again? Yes, he will. Sophisticated quality hazelnut chocolate spread in there. Better than Nutella. Made in-house for sure. They should sell like, I don't know if they sell small things, but they should sell big things just filled with this stuff. Ooh, quality. Quality. Gotta say, with tea, it's pretty nice. Again, it's not a big tea drinking nation here. Hey, get back here, you. I don't understand why it's popular. Part 2. Caramel buttery. Oh my god, it's so shiny on the see how shiny that is? Ooh. Heat it up and all the butter starts just oozing. See, with the reduced amount of sugary caramel, it's fine for me. Otherwise, there's too much in there. Mm. It's nice. It is quite nice. I need to eat from this side. You know what's going on? It's called strategy. I'm eating the outside, so the super nice, chunky middle is left. Oh yeah. Mm-hmm. And it's not over. Our last friend, big friend, chunky again. What is this? It's a little bit of a crunchy stuff. Those are, you see, right? You see, they are big. They are big. This is not your little snack. Individually, even individually, some people will be like, oh, it's big. But it's hungry pastry man. What can you do? Mm. They know what they're doing. I wish you could taste like this hazelnut spread. It is just mmm. All right. The last delicious bite. See this? This gives you the energy to go about your day, do what you have to do. Doesn't give you the nutrients, you gotta find those somewhere else, but it gives you the energy. There you go, Pastry Man. Hope Pastry Man helped your morning become more good. I'll see you later on in the evening with another meal that has far, far less sugar, because this is a little too much. A healthier meal, perhaps. See you tonight, or you know what I mean. See you. Bye.